Welcome to PureTalk's In the Know video series. Now that you've joined us, we want to make sure moving your phone number to PureTalk goes as smoothly as possible. In this video, we're going to talk about how to transfer your phone number from AT&T to PureTalk. Now, even though it's a simple process, there are multiple steps. This video will guide you through each of these steps and answer any questions that you might have. So don't worry, we're here to help. There is one thing you should know right off the bat, though. It's important to not cancel your current service. Once your phone number transfers to PureTalk, your other service will automatically be canceled. If you want to touch base with your previous carrier to make sure, contact them after your PureTalk phone number transfer is complete. So leave your current service alone, okay? This next step is an easy one. To make sure the transfer process goes smoothly, you'll need some information on hand. This includes your account number transfer PIN, and your billing address. Write down all of this information to make things easy. To locate your account number, check the top of one of your previous statements or go to the AT&T app or your online account. Now, if you have an AT&T prepaid account or if your account is bundled, you'll need to call AT&T and ask an agent for it. To get your transfer PIN, you have a few options. You can call port, P-O-R-T, or star 7678 from your AT&T phone and follow the prompts for your number transfer PIN, which will be sent to you by text. You'll need your wireless account passcode to do this. You can also sign into AT&T.com or go to their app. There, choose More and then manage your profile. Next, select People and Permissions. Scroll to Transfer Phone Number and select Request a New PIN. Your number transfer PIN will show up on your phone. Keep in mind that AT&T employees may not be able to generate a number transfer PIN on your behalf. Also bear in mind that your number transfer PIN is temporary and valid for only 4 days. If you go past the 4-day mark, it will expire and you'll need to request a new one. So now you have all the necessary information to port your number to PureTalk and activate your SIM card. But before you start the activation process, let's make sure that the device you'll be using is also ready for it. If you purchased a phone with us, you're ready. But if you plan on bringing your current phone, let's just go over a few extra steps to make sure it all goes smoothly. Most phones are compatible with PureTalk. But if you want to be sure, you can go to PureTalk.com and use our Check Your Phone feature. You'll need your IMEI number to do that. And if you don't know what that is or how to find it, take a moment and watch our video on it. The link to it is on the screen and in the description of this video. You'll also need to make sure that your phone is unlocked for other carriers. We'll go over this in the next few steps. Now that you've ensured your phone is compatible with us, it's time to unlock it. Unlocking your phone means that your phone works with any carrier, not just your previous one. Most carriers will let you unlock your phone after it's been fully paid off. To request your phone to be unlocked, go to AT&T.com/device unlock, or you can call and ask them to unlock it. Once you've confirmed your phone is compatible and unlocked, you'll need to make sure the software on your phone is updated to the latest version. Simply go to Settings, then General, and click on Software Update. Once you've completed these steps, you're ready to activate your SIM card and request your number transfer. To do so, visit puretalk.com/activate/start. There, choose which type of SIM card you purchased, physical or eSIM, and follow the instructions on screen. For SIM cards, you'll need your SIM card number, which is on the back of the SIM card you got in the mail, as well as your registered email address and billing address. For eSIM, you'll need to use the IMEI number on your device. If you purchase a SIM card, let's go over how to properly insert it on your phone. Most phones have the SIM card tray on the side, which can be ejected using a paperclip. If you can't find the tray, it's probably under your phone's battery. Just remove it and you'll find the slot there. Simply locate the small hole near the edge of your phone, insert the paperclip, and gently push until the tray pops out. Next, let's talk about SIM card sizes. SIM card slots come in 3 sizes: regular, micro, and nano. Looking at your SIM card tray, match it with the corresponding SIM card size. Most modern phones use nano SIM cards, but it's always best to double check. Carefully detach the SIM card from its holder. Make sure you don't break it or hold it by the gold chip, or you'll risk damaging it. Once you've detached the correct size, gently place the SIM card into the slot on the tray. Make sure it's positioned correctly before carefully sliding the tray back into your phone. There you have it. You've completed your transition to PureTalk. Of course, if you have any questions or need help, don't hesitate to reach out to us.